In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags in ClickUp. Tags are a simple but powerful way to organize your work, highlight priorities, and quickly filter tasks. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create and apply tags to any task in your workspace. First, make sure you're logged into ClickUp and looking at the space or folder where your work lives. To get started, you'll want to open a task. You can do this from almost anywhere: a folder, a list, or different views like List View or Board View. If you're in List View, you'll see your tasks stacked vertically in rows. In Board View, your tasks are organized into columns, usually by status. From either of these views, find the task you want to tag. You can click directly on the task name to open the full task details, or, in many layouts, you can simply hover over the task to reveal quick actions. If you're not sure which task to choose, pick one you use often so you can easily see the tag in action later. Once the task window is open, look for the section where tags live. Depending on your layout and settings, you might see a small label-shaped icon, a tags field, or a line that says something like Add Tag. This is typically located near the top of the task, close to the task name or other key fields like status and assignee. Click on the Tags area to start adding your first tag. A small input field or drop-down will appear. Begin typing the name of the tag you want to create. For example, you might use something like Urgent to flag high-priority items, Marketing to categorize tasks by department, or a client name to group tasks by who they're for. As you type, ClickUp may suggest existing tags that match what you're entering. If you see the one you want, you can select it from the list. If it doesn't exist yet, simply finish typing your new tag name and press Enter on your keyboard. This does two things at once. It creates the new tag in your workspace and immediately applies it to the task you have open. You should now see your tag displayed inside the task. From here, you can repeat the process to add more tags or close the task and notice how the tag appears in your list or board view, making it easier to scan and filter your work.